hikers, Wandering Gypsy Banner here. Me and my co-pilot, Panda. Say hi, Panda. Say hi. Sit. Say hi, Panda. Panda, look. Say hi. Can you say hi to everyone? Yeah. Say, I'm a good girl. And I love my mommy. Yeah. Can you talk to them? Can you say hi? Say hi. Tell everybody hi in YouTube land. Can you say hi? You love your mommy, don't you? Can you say I love you? Can you say I love you? No, not today. Is it too cold? I know what it is. Oh, she's gonna tell stories today. Is it too cold for the baby? Is it too cold for the baby? It is. Are you tired of the cold? Are you ready to go to Arizona? Ah, I am too. I know. I know. Tell them we're trying. Say, we're working on it. Say, we're tired of the snow. So, I'm in the town over from Hurley, Wisconsin. I'm in Ironwood, Michigan, and this is what we're getting right now. Visibility is, I don't know how to even say it. It's bad. Plows are out, they're sanding, they're salting, they're advising people not to drive, and I have a 45-minute drive to get to my doctor at 1 o'clock today, but I'm probably going to have to cancel because I don't want to go in the ditch, and my tires on this van are not the greatest. So I guess we'll have to wait and see. It's cold. It's supposed to get down to 7 tonight, and I've been staying at a friend's, but they don't have room in their house, so I've been sleeping in the van. And I don't have heat in here, but I've been running a cord from her house to run an electric heater. But I think this is the last night I can stay here, so I don't want to overstay my welcome, you know. So we are working on getting south to Arizona. It's a work in progress. I have a couple more things that I need to do before I can head south. And so I'm sitting here at Holiday gas station, drinking my coffee and waiting on a phone call. So I just thought I'd let you see the good old northern weather. Snow. I used to like it, but I don't care for it anymore. My body don't either. It's cold. And I have my left knee is totally replaced, so it's all metal. And it doesn't feel that good in the winter when it's just cold. And my other knee needs to be replaced, but I'm not in a hurry to get it done. So today is Veterans Day, and I'm a veteran. I served in the Army, 101st Airborne, and so if I can't make it to my doctor's appointment, I guess I will go to the school my grandchildren go to. and they're having a special Veterans Day program there. So I think they are really looking forward to me showing up, being there. Both of my 16-year-old and my 18-year-old grandchildren, my 18-year-old granddaughter and my 16-year-old grandson are in the ROTC, so they're following in Nana's footsteps.